Hey, it's Peter Rollins here. You need more leads, you need more revenue, and you need a system that works. Consider this, 85% of customers will not call back on an answered call. That means every missed call to your business could be a lost sale forever. That's why I'm personally setting up a fully installed AI revenue system that captures every lead automatically. You eliminate lost or forgotten leads, books and confirms appointments 24/7. Boost your Google reviews on autopilot to increase your online credibility for more leads and sales. Full AI business audit and roadmap. We'll look and search for hidden money that's sitting in your business. And then there's your 24/7 AI sales assistant. Businesses lose money because they didn't follow up fast enough or at all. That's where Kim changes everything. She instantly responds to every lead. She books appointments, handles frequently asked questions. She works 24/7, never takes a break. And if you don't even have to take my word for it, call her right now and see her in action. Click the link or dial the number. So why am I doing this? Because I want undeniable case studies and proof. I'm personally setting up every system, full AI automation, hands-on setup, live support. So you have two choices right now. Keep doing what you've been doing, keep missing leads, wasting time, leaving money on the table, or get a done-for-you AI system and start generating new leads, growing your revenue in autopilot. Take action right now. Book a call. I'm Peter. Thanks for listening.